Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ubak Prestone Tynsong habakran syakilat patai khobor mentaka sengi ke arpunyo tarik nailar arjar pusau. Ulaya thuk baya ke bil belawan ra daka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ke Jylla Hills Autonomous District Council ke bala phak daka Delimitation Committee ke jingpen bet kedang yak syakmat bat kidang ap yakarai jong ulat ke Jylla. Habakali halor ke jingpen ken ria yaki harijan natham yo maulong. Usembut Menteri Rangba ulaong bahalor kata kuak ban kran AA Henry ulaya thuk bana kaliang jongki kidang panpor biang naka sorkar nak benta bakin Pynlong saya kawai ke Jingyalang banya perkhat para maki.
Have received both the discouncil, Jylla and Khasi, the bill that they have already passed for that amendment of this thing, the delimitation. So now we are processing it to send it to the governor. Once the governor approve it, then we will notify. The request from their side that they need one more meeting. So for that, as I said to you, I'll not say anything right now because I need to call a departmental meeting. Then we sit down and then we decide.